Around 50 million model pools a month. Over a dozen officially documented integrations, Claude Code, VS Code, Copilot, Codex, all plugging into one open source runtime. One command sets up your entire coding environment. No API keys, no config files. The full Ollama integrations map, right here. Anthropic, Microsoft and the broader OpenAI API ecosystem all officially plug into one open source runtime. Claude Code, VS Code, Copilot Chat and a Codex integration all running through Ollama. That's not marketing spin. Claude Code has an official Ollama integration page. VS Code's Copilot Chat now lets you pick a local Ollama model right from the dropdown. And Ollama's launch command includes a Codex mode that runs through the OpenAI-Compatible API. Yet the full picture of what's been built around Ollama hasn't been mapped, until now. Over the next 8 minutes, I'll walk you through the entire integration ecosystem, every category, every tool, so you know exactly what's available. Here's the reality for most developers working with AI tools right now. You've got an OpenAI key for one thing, an Anthropic key for another, maybe a Grok key for speed testing. Each one has its own billing dashboard, its own rate limits, its own SDK quirks. Then there's the privacy question. Every prompt you send, every code snippet, every internal doc reference, it leaves your machine and lands on someone else's server. For teams in healthcare, finance, or anywhere with compliance requirements, that's a deal breaker, and the cost adds up. Whether you're paying per token through the API or $20 to $200 a month per seat for subscriptions like ChatGPT Plus or Claude Pro, it's money going out the door every month. Scale that to a team and the numbers get real fast. But the cost is just the beginning of the problem. Ollama solves this in a straightforward way. It's a local LLM runtime. You install it, pull a model, and it serves that model through an API on your machine. No cloud, no account, no credit card. The key detail is the API it exposes. It's OpenAI compatible. That means any tool, any library, any SDK built to talk to OpenAI's API works with Ollama by changing one line, the base URL. Pointed at localhost 11434 instead of api.openai.com, and you're running locally. Hundreds of models are available in the library, one command to pull any of them. So that's the runtime. But the runtime alone doesn't explain the around 50 million monthly pulls. This isn't just a model runner with an API. Over a dozen tools have official integrations documented on Ollama's site. And they fall into several categories. Several coding agents: Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode, Droid, Goose, Pi, and more. Multiple IDE integrations: VS Code through Copilot Chat, Cline, Code, JetBrains, and Z. A self-hosted RAG platform called Onyx, a workflow automation tool N8N, and a reactive notebook called Marimo. That's multiple categories of tools, all feeding through one runtime. I call this the integration hub pattern. Ollama sits at the center and everything plugs in the same way. The coding agents category has 6 tools. Claude Code is Anthropic's agentic coder. It reads your files, modifies code, runs commands. Through Ollama, it works with open models locally. Needs a 64K context window, but the integration is official and documented. Codex is the coding agent from the OpenAI ecosystem. Ollama's launch command sets it up with models like GPT-OSS and Qwen3 Coder. Goose is built by Block, Jack Dorsey's company. Full AI agent with the desktop and CLI modes. OpenCode is a terminal-first coding agent. Droid handles lightweight scripting tasks, and Pi is a personal AI coding assistant. All 6 support the same pattern. Ollama launch Claude, Ollama launch Codex, Ollama launch OpenCode. Behind the scenes, Ollama wires up the environment for you. But coding agents are only one of the categories. VS Code's integration is worth paying attention to. As of March 2026, Copilot Chat natively surfaces Ollama models in the model picker. You open the chat panel, click the model dropdown, and your local models appear alongside the cloud options. The free GitHub tier is enough. You don't need a paid Copilot subscription. JetBrains IDEs like IntelliJ, PyCharm, and WebStorm have community plugins that integrate with Ollama. For many developers, that's effectively first-class support. Cline has over 5 million VS Code installs, and it supports Ollama as a backend. Same with RuCode. Z rounds out the list with its own Ollama integration path. The takeaway is simple. Whatever editor you use, there's likely an Ollama path for it. Onyx is a self-hostable RAG and chat platform. You connect it to Google Drive, Gmail, Slack, Confluence, and it indexes everything. Then you ask questions in a chat interface, and it answers with citations from your actual documents. One of its main backend options is Ollama, local or via Ollama Cloud. Your data stays where you put it. For automation, N8N has an official Ollama node. N8N is a visual workflow builder. You can set up a flow where emails come in, Ollama summarizes them, and the summary gets posted to Slack. No API key, no per call cost. Marimo brings Ollama to interactive notebooks for data scientists. And OpenClaw is a local AI chat interface, think ChatGPT, but running entirely on your machine through Ollama. That covers the integration map. But there's one more piece that ties it all together. Wait, 91% of solo AI builders quit within 3 months. But not this group. Over 1,000 builders. Daily hangouts where you debug together. Weekly workshops that actually level you up. A full agentic coding course. 72 lessons, 12 modules. From zero to shipping multi-agent systems. People share projects, brainstorm ideas, help each other in real time. This is where AI builders actually make it. Link in description, 10% off. Join us. Back to the video now. Ollama also has a cloud service with a free tier and flat rate paid plans. At the time of recording, Pro is around $20 a month, and there's a higher tier for teams. The important part is that it's flat rate pricing instead of metered per token. So you're much less likely to get hit with surprise overage bills. And the interface is identical. Same CLI, same commands. You can start developing locally, then switch to cloud for faster inference, or when you don't have a GPU handy without changing a single line of code. That's the bridge most local first tools don't have. And the best part, setting all of this up takes one command. For most setups, Ollama launch Claude will pull the right model, wire up the environment variables and start the agent for you. 10 seconds. You're coding with a local model. Compare that to doing it manually. You'd need to install Ollama, pull the right model, set 3 or 4 environment variables by hand, figure out which model is compatible, then launch the agent. Not impossible, but friction adds up. Now it's one step. Ollama launch Codex, Ollama launch OpenCode. Same pattern, every tool. That's the integration hub in action, one runtime, one interface, multiple tools. Let's be honest about the trade-offs. Frontier cloud models still win the really hard stuff. Complex multi-step reasoning, big multi-file refactors, and edge case heavy tasks, where you want the absolute best model you can get. Strong open models like Llama and Qwen have caught up a lot for day-to-day work, but they're still a step behind at the frontier. For a lot of everyday developer tasks, autocomplete, simple refactors, writing tests, explaining code, a good local model on decent hardware can feel surprisingly close. Many developers find that a big chunk of their daily workflow runs fine locally, and they reach for cloud when the task gets long, weird, or high stakes. The big catch is hardware. In 2026, getting top-tier local performance usually means a modern GPU or small server with plenty of VRAM. On a basic laptop or older machine, you're limited to smaller or heavily quantized models, and the quality and speed gap to cloud becomes very obvious. On cost, cloud is pure pay-per-use. Great for getting started, but as usage grows, the bill scales with every token and request, and heavy teams can land in the hundreds or thousands per month. Local flips that. You invest in hardware upfront, then your ongoing cost is mostly electricity and maintenance, which can be much cheaper per token once you're actually using it heavily. Cloud feels cheap at the beginning and expensive at scale. Local feels expensive at the beginning and cheap at scale. On privacy and limits, local gives you control. Prompts don't have to leave your machine, and there are no vendor-imposed rate limits or quotas, only the limits of your own hardware. But it's not magic. Misconfigured services can still leak data, and a single box will still saturate if you hammer it hard enough. So cloud wins on raw capability and zero hardware fuss. Local wins on control, predictable costs at scale, and privacy if you're willing to invest in the machine behind it. Getting started takes 3 steps. First, install Ollama. One command on Mac, Linux, or Windows. Second, pull a model. Ollama pull Qwen 3.5. Takes a few minutes depending on your connection. Third, launch your tool. Ollama launch Claude. Or open VS Code and pick a local model from Copilot chat. No credit card, no API key, no account required for local use. You can be running a full agentic coding environment in under 5 minutes. Over a dozen integrations across coding agents, IDEs, chat, RAG, automation, and notebooks, all running through one open source runtime that keeps growing every month. Local or cloud, which side are you on? Drop it in the comments. Every tool mentioned in this video is linked in the description.